Hey everybody, welcome to another edition of Doing Stuff with Aaron. My name's Aaron and welcome to the forest. So did some 4x4 and I bought a few buddies who were back there in the distance. We brought some meat. What do we got? Kebabs, wings. We're gonna have a few laughs and sit by the fire up here in the mountains. So welcome. Thanks for hanging out with us, and let's get to the action. You see the fish hatchery down there, and then off in the distance there, just to the right, is Chilliwack Lake. Buddies. Right? Not bad, eh? It's awesome. So let's get all set up, get the fire going, and I'll introduce you to my buddies. Say hi, buddies. Hi, buddies. Everybody ignores me.
Yeah, absolutely. But it seems like obviously you're like, your spirits are high.
Oh yeah.
You seem to be in a good place, right? Yeah.
Would you mind lowering the tailgate?
Oh.
Thank you.
And I think that's so.
Okay, let's get set up.
Underrated. How like important that actually.
These are friends. James, that's YouTube.
YouTube.
Derek, you've seen YouTube before.
I think
See?
I might have
Everybody?
seen YouTube once or
You've
twice.
seen Derek in a few videos. We're gonna get set up. So,
All right.
enjoy the time lapse while we get set up. Okay. Oh, look at the fire pit Derek's building. It's a fucking Cadillac, man. Don't stand in front of the camera.
sorry.
However you feel, James. Be creative. James is on the camera, folks. Let's see if we can film the starting of a fire. Oh, it's windy. Well, it helps if you have a lighter that works, eh?
Pretty shaky. These cars going.
Oh, bastard.
So that's the Chilliwack Gun Club then? Is that what we're hearing?
No, it's the military's shooting range.
Oh, so it's totally separate from any public access.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Right?
Rat-a-tat-tat.
My 22. It's dry enough, but I suck. Resin. Just take a chunk off this. Problem solved. This stuff is crazy, man. You see the resin in that? That should start up right away. Well, folks, that was painful.
Real outdoorsman here.
Edit that part out. If you want, just focus on Derek building the outside of the fire, not so much of me actually building the fire, and you'll enjoy the episode a lot more. Oh. Ooh!
Sliver?
Right up underneath the nail.
Ooh.
Ooh, that hurt. There we go. We got our Jenga house.
Good job.
Right? I only have to use another 2 slivers of my magic wood. If you ever find a piece of wood like this out in the forest full of all that resin, you want to hold on to this and put it in your backpack, because it just takes one match and it's ready to go. Well, I'd say that's a success, eh?
That's getting going.
Oh, I was gonna cook pancakes. I totally forgot. Dang it. And we're moving straight to the meat. Pancakes and chicken.
You still do pancakes.
I mean, it still goes together. Is it filming?
Yep.
Oh, okay. We're gonna make pancakes.
Yeah, we're good to go whenever you are.
I'm going. Hey, me, Mom!
Let go.
I don't know, is that a lot of pancake? Feels like a lot. Would you like meat in your pancake? See how that does. You want a stir stick, James? Yeah. Thank you. Oh. A little bit flimsy.
What? Oh, the stick, you mean?
Yeah,
Oh.
feels like after a late night at the bar, you know?
I'm sorry.
Oh, there we go. Yes. You ready? Is this gonna like flip and hit me in the face? Oh,
Beautiful.
so close. Okay, we've got 100% organic Western syrup.
Is that a thumbs up or what?
Better than home?
It's better than home?
How is that possible?
No way.
It's probably just because we're sitting out here. Oh, that's better.
Wow, that's a big one.
Yeah, I'm gonna have some of it too, I think. That's a really big one. I really overdid it now.
Had to overcompensate for the last one.
Yeah, let's see. We might not have success with this one.
With the flip?
Yeah. Okay. It's still kind of liquidy over that side there. It's a little bit juicy. Right? I'm worried it's starting to burn though.
That's a tough one. Because your sides, those sides are coming along pretty deep.
Right, and we already had success with one, so the chances for this one are a lot lower.
You might not be totally off just using the fork on that corner a little bit, just to maybe lift her up a tad. Yeah.
Oh, we're fine. It's
Yeah?
not burning at all.
Yeah.
Oh, it needs
okay.
to be flipped pretty soon, though.
Well, did she loosen up? No, not at all.
Maybe use the fork on this side.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
There
Oh,
you
yeah.
go.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Oh.
just that liquidy
That one corner. I think that one corner, too.
Oh, a little bit of carbon in there. Adds to the flavoring. I mean, we could do a fold over and do like this half action stuff. But I'd rather do a dramatic flip. Yeah, we'll just scoop it just like that. Right?
Just need to do
What is it you going for? The flip?
spatula.
Spatula.
Makeshift spatula.
Oh.
Oh, it just came loose too. But this is far more secure. Oh, we got a little breakage. Flip that up on there, James.
Slide it.
Oh. Okay, we're just gonna try for the flip here. Yeah!
Nice.
Good.
This is still a usable plate too.
Hashtag resourceful.
Right? Sweet.
Campfire sausage.
Mm-hmm.
Gotta throw it on the campfire.
It's made with real campfire.
It will be today.
Oh baby. Check that. Check these wieners out, gang.
Oh, jeez.
I've never had 3 in my hand before. Anyways.
That's what they call a good time.
All right.
Sword fight. Some hang lower than others. But they're all equal. In the dark, you can't tell the difference. Not bad. Hey?
Some homely looking. What happened to them?
I don't know. It's like uncircumcised sausages.
Why are we having elephant trunks for them?
Mini elephant trunks. Who brought the ant-eater?
How long have you guys known each other?
When did I meet you,
Maybe 11 or 12 years. It's like basically Lions games.
Yeah, I
Or a
think
little bit before that from
Yeah.
Dave's work.
like
He used to
08.
work-
Oh,
It's not going to separate that easily. This is going to be barbaric. It's good. It is hot though. Nice. Gunshots in the background. Piece of meat in my hand.
That's toxic masculinity.
way too toxic. Way too Canadian.
Yeah.
Tone it down, would you? And what was steak was that?
I don't know. Just bought it.
Okay.
Just better.
Cooked it at home?
In the air fryer. Steak in the air fryer is awesome. Nice. Nice share. That's what I'm gonna eat. Oh, I'm gonna smoke. Sitting here still. I don't know when we're leaving. So stay tuned. Watch some more. Oh, look at that. We got a fire and Derek's ass in the shot.
Fantastic.
Anyways, this is the crotch cam. What do we got in the crotch cam today, Derek?
Few kebabs.
Kebabs, you call these?
I think that's what they were calling them at the store.
Kebabs.
With a good beef. So is this the ideal way to
Here, let's get over here. James is on the mic.
Oh, you want right here?
Sure, why not?
Or
We use our bushcraft, dollar store bushcraft fork here. But I think
Hypersensitivity.
meat on a stick.
Doesn't get any better than that.
Good stuff.
Except maybe in a bun.
Leave no trace. Oh, grab a rock. Should we do one for YouTube too? Do you want to film one?
What's that?
We'll do this last rock on there too, the hottest one. Grab the camera.
Okay.
Okay. Oh wow, it cracked open.
double the fun. 2 for 1.
Oh, that's hot. Oh, I'm so full of meat. Trying to bend over.
Hey, let's keep it PG, okay?
You don't even know how many times in my life I walk into those sayings. When I was a mailman once, I came into this pet store and I walk in through because I was coming around the corner, I ran into the back entrance and there's these two good looking girls on the counter. And I walk up, I'm like, hey girls, because I kind of scared them, don't mind me, I just came in your back door. And they started laughing, I'm like, oh no. I got all red and embarrassed. Charcoal actually makes a very good road base. Google it.
Giving back.
It's not me, it's science.
She's giving back to the community.
I think we're pretty good. I don't see that kitchen on fire.
Oh, but you feel like you're talking.
Okay, that's it. We're gonna head down the mountain, and okay, I gotta do an outro apparently. Thanks for watching. While we ate meat on the side of a mountain and listened to people shoot from the bottom of the hill. It was great. Good times. I had fun. Pretty sure they did too. And gotta get out in nature, folks. Untouched.
Really?
Yeah. Sweet. Anyways, thanks for joining us. It's been fun.
Petrie's right here. And we took a picture of Petrie. And here's Ernie. Ernie! Come here, Ernie. Hi, kitty. Come here. Come on, Ernie. So what we did is we took a picture of Ernie with our new camera. But the funny thing is the cat now, he recognizes the picture. So now he thinks it's the other cat. So it's the proof that cats are smart and that he recognizes his brother but as a picture. Come here, Ernie. Come on, Ernie. Is that Petrie? Do you see Petrie? Do you see him? Petrie? Oh, and there he goes with the picture.
Oh, here.
Oh, is that your brother, buddy? Yeah, that's you. He doesn't understand.
Okay.
And that's our funny cat thing. Hope you enjoyed it.